Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I will be reviewing a 2004 G35 Coupe. This is an Infiniti. It's badged as a Nissan Skyline 350 GT. Don't know why I purchased it like this. This is the car that I made a quick video about a few weeks ago. I've now put 370 miles on it. I have thoroughly enjoyed this car, but it's time to sell it, and I figured if I don't make a video, I will probably regret it. So today is the day that I'm gonna review this car, tell you guys my thoughts, how it feels. You guys will get to hear the exhaust note and hear me talk. Started. So first things first, it's an automatic transmission with the manual slap shift. Because this car has a Borla exhaust, I think 80% of my driving has been done using the manual option, just because I could rev the engine up a little bit higher and hear the exhaust note. I think the exhaust note is absolutely fantastic on this car. What options does it have? This 2004 G35 has heated seats, Bose premium speakers, the moonroof, has power windows, power seats. It has the optional factory xenon HID headlights, although the headlights that are on this car are aftermarket, because when I bought the car, the left front was damaged, and I figured, you know, might as well get a set of two new headlights. I think they look pretty good, but to each their own. G35 has their, I believe, VQ engine. It's a 3.5 6-cylinder, making right under 300 horsepower, but it's a two-door coupe. It's a fairly light car. It moves, and this thing handles fairly well. Not that I've taken it, you know, on back roads or whatnot, but from my city driving, it does go into corners and whatnot fairly well. The wheels on this car are staggered, so it's 8.5 inches wide in the front and 10 inches wide in the back. The tires it has are actually fairly cheap tires. I've never heard of them before. I believe they're called Iron Man, but for a cheap tire, I mean, again, I haven't like abused the crap out of this car. I don't abuse any of my cars that I have, but on higher speeds going into corners, it seems like the tires stay planted to the ground fairly well, which is impressive. Vehicle dynamic control off, we're off. The one thing I would like to bring up with this car, so it has drilled and slotted rotors, which in my opinion, I feel like the previous owner bought a cheap set, either rotors or like eBay brake pads, something of that sort. Or they could be, you know, kind of went through their optimal prime time. They stop pretty good, but I feel a slight vibration in the steering wheel, which to me is usually a sign of bad brakes or rotors, one of the two. One thing you cannot take away from this car is that it's fun. It really, really is a fun car, especially more or less working on a budget to get something that's fairly quick. It sounds great. These engines are very reliable. I haven't really heard many issues with the engine. The one thing Infiniti's kind of known for are the engines burn a little bit of oil over time. I've been kind of checking the oil level on this car with the almost 400 miles that I've put on it, and it hasn't moved one bit, but that's something to look out for. That guy honked at me. It's a 2-lane on a turnaround. Why would you honk? This car also has a built-in Bluetooth system, so you could connect your phone for music and then audio, or not audio. You can connect your phone for music and then talking on the phone. And this system is actually hardwired to the factory stereo, and I think it works really well. I've had like Bluetooth transmitters and whatnot, and you get out of the car and you get back in and you have to reconnect. This car, as long as your Bluetooth is on, it will automatically find it, connect to it. I think it's super convenient. That's it for today's video. Thanks guys for joining. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I realized that this was a rather short video. Guys, have a good one, and I will see you in another video.